First, they make such outrageous statements and then step back and issue an apology. Now, the same leader has apologized for his statement that he has made.
আপনাদের কাছে ক্ষমা প্রার্থী, তবে আবার বলছি, এই আন্দোলন এবং আন্দোলনকারীদের আমার আপনাদের প্রতি সহস্রবার কোটিতমবার সেই সমর্থন রয়েছে। আমি আবার বলছি, একজন সাধারণ মানুষ হিসেবে, পশ্চিমবঙ্গের একজন সাধারণ নাগরিক হিসেবে, উই ওয়ান্ট রিয়েলি জাস্টিস, উই ওয়ান্ট জাস্টিস। এবং আবার বলছি, আমি চাই দোষীরা ধরা পড়ুক এবং দোষীদের দৃষ্টান্তমূলক শাস্তি হোক। আবার বলছি, আমি ক্ষমার থেকে বড় জিনিস হয় না, আমি সেই ক্ষমাটুকু আপনাদের কাছে ভিক্ষা চাইব।
Shreya is with us right now. Shreya, aren't they towing when it comes to the party line? Then how would one take their own party leaders seriously when the High Command clearly has been telling their own leaders to refrain from making such controversial statements?
Well, of course, we see that after the controversial statement that was made by Lovely Maitro earlier, Abhishek Banerjee took to his ex-handle to say that every party member should refrain from making such a statement. He says that do not make any harsh statement against the civil society who is protesting or against the doctor who is protesting. Now, after that, we see Kanchan Malik comes out to make a controversial statement. He says that people consider doctors as God, but if you continue to cease work and deprive the people who are coming from the villages, then in that case people will reconsider before calling you as God. And after that, we see Kanchan Malik issues an apology, says that I really think that doctors are God. I did not mean to belittle any protester or any protest, and says that I am very sorry, I shouldn't have made those statements earlier. So of course question is being raised about the credibility, because we see TMC leader one after the other coming out mocking the protest, mocking the protester, belittling the protest, and after that they issue an apology.
All right. So what's the point exactly when it comes to making the statement in the first place? Thank you very much, Shreya, for getting us those updates. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a very short break.